So in the previous video, we talked about brokers. Now we understand that we need a broker to trade the market, right? Great. And earlier when I talked about what a chart is, now you need to have a chart to be able to see the market, what the market is doing before you now take your trades. And there are softwares that we use. I think the best apps for this are either MT4 or MT5 from Meta MT4 or Meta MT5. Now those are actually charting softwares. What they do is they show you the prices of different currencies in real time, right? MT4 or MT5. I use both, but I think I'm an MT5 guy more, right? Now, what happens is that when you don't have a broker and you've opened your account with your broker, right? Like we've already done, you will now link your broker to your charting software so that you now take trades directly from your charting software and then it reflects in your broker app. Rather, it's pretty simple. So let me give you the structure. You get a broker, right? Once you get a broker, then you get your charting software, MT4 or MT5. You connect your MT4 or MT5 to your broker, and then you trade the market. It's that simple. I'll give you steps on how to connect your charting software, that is your MT4 or MT5, to your broker. Hope you get that. Gracias.